Hello, good morning students. This is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 2, Part 2. In our previous videos, we learned that Lancelot is the servant of Shylock's household, but his conscience asked him to be faithful to his master Shylock and not to let him and go away to join the service of Bassanio. In our previous videos, we learned that Lancelot was in a type of a dilemma to continue the service of the Jew or to leave the service of the Jew and work for Bassanio. When Lancelot was struggling with his conscience and faint, that moment his father, Old Gobbo, entered the scene. Old Gobbo was sand blind, therefore Lancelot tried to play pranks with his father. Old Gobbo requested Lancelot to help him to show the correct way to Shylock's house. And now we will begin from this paragraph. Lancelot, turn up on your right hand at the next turning, but at the next turning of all on your left. Marry at the very next turning, turn off no hand but turn down indirectly to the Jew's house. We already studied, students, that Lancelot was playing fool with his father, means he was making fun of his father when he gave him complicated and inaccurate directions to Shylock's house. His directions would have been really a difficult one to identify or to catch even for a normal person, but poor Old Gobbo was half blind and it became so complicated for him that he could not even understand the correct path to Shylock's house. You can see here that marry at the next turning. Here marry means by swearing to Virgin Mary or Blessed Mary at the very next turning, or turn off no hand. Turn off no hand means don't turn anywhere. Means Lancelot was making the path to Shylock's house very complicated, and by making mistakes, comic effect has been used. So what is the mistake done? Indirectly. You can see here, turn down indirectly to the Jew's house. Actually, this is a mistake made by him to give a comic effect. Indirectly here means directly. So I will read this paragraph once again, that go to your right at the next turn, but at the next turn, turn to your left. And with swearing by Blessed Mary, Lancelot Gobbo said, at the very next turning, do not turn anywhere, but latter turn down directly towards the Jew's house. So he had made the path to Shylock's house very complicated for Old Gobbo. Now, what's the reply of the Old Gobbo? By God Sontis means sends, underline this and write down. It will be a hard way to hit. Hit here means to find. Can you tell me whether one Lancelot that dwell with him or not? Now, this path recognition would be a difficult one for Old Gobbo. So he requested Lancelot unknowingly that he is his only son. So he was requesting Lancelot whether certain Lancelot, if he knew that who lived with the Jew, is still continuing to live with him or not. Lancelot, talk you of Master Lancelot? Aside, mark me now. Again I told you, Lancelot, whenever any character speaks aside means they are speaking to themselves, but to create drama scenes on the stage, they actually face the audience and speak aloud. Mark me now. Underline this. Look at me now. Now will I raise the waters. Talk you of young Master Lancelot? I will raise the waters means bring tears to his eyes. Talk you of young Master Lancelot means Lancelot is asking old Gobbo that whether he is talking about the young Master Lancelot. Gobbo, no master, sir, but a poor man's son. Now, please, students, try to understand that why the word master M is in capital letter and why Gobbo denied that not to call his son a master. I want you to write down here. The young sons of aristocrats are addressed as masters. So, when Lancelot addressed his son as master, old Gobbo objected to it. Old Gobbo asked Lancelot to call his not to call his son master because he is a poor man's son. So, and also considered himself to be as poor but honest man. You can say, I say it is an honest, exceeding poor man. Exceeding means extremely. And God be thanked, well to live. Well to live means lives a good life. Lancelot, well let his father be at what a will we talk of young Master Lancelot. So Lancelot told old Gobbo that let his father be whatever he is. They are talking about the young Lancelot. Gobbo, your worship's friend and Lancelot, sir. Your worship's friend means yes, sir. Your young friend Lancelot. Lancelot, but I pray you, Argo, old man, Argo, I beseech you. Now, in this extract, to make more fun of his father, Lancelot confused him and informed that young Lancelot, his son, is dead. Now here, students, you will get the reference of three sisters 3. So write down the meaning. The sisters 3 refers to 3 goddesses of fate in Greek mythology, and names you write down: Clotho, Clotho, comma, Lachesis, Lachesis, and Atropos, Atropos. These 3 sisters are referred who control the human destiny. So, Lancelot, without knowing the meaning of these all these words, but just to create confusion and make fun of his father, old Gobbo, he is using all these words. Actually, here in this extract, William Shakespeare is satirizing those people who are not content to use plain speech or words, but to attempt to use very highly sophisticated or learned words and phrases to make themselves appear to be very learned persons. Mary, God forbid, the boy was the very staff of my age, my very prop. So, underline prop, support. Now, here, old Gobbo feels deeply the death of his son as any father would do so. He was shocked and stunned as his son was his only support at his old age. Now, students, underline certain words. Underline the word cudgel, hovel, post, staff and prop. So, cudgel means a short, thick stick used as a weapon. Hovel post, a sturdy stick. Staff, a long stick. Prop, a pole or a beam. All these words are used to show support. Okay. So, old Gobbo, according to old Gobbo, his only son was his support at his old age. Gobbo, alack the day I know you not, young gentleman, but I pray you tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? Underline alack the day means what an unfortunate day. God rest his soul means may God give his soul peace after death. Alive or dead means if his son is alive or dead. So in this extract, old Gobbo was asking the young man to please tell him to inform him that his son, may God give him peace, is he dead or alive, because it is unbelievable for old Gobbo that his son is dead. Lancelot, do you not know me, father? Seeing the condition of his old father, lastly Lancelot confessed that he is old Gobbo's son, Lancelot, the master Lancelot or the young Lancelot. Gobbo, alack, sir, I am sand-blind, I know you not. Then Gobbo said that he is half-blind, but he could not recognize him. Lancelot, nay, indeed, if you had your eyes, you might fail of the knowing me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. Well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. Give me your blessings. Knelt means he knelt down. What is the meaning of this extract, students? Listen very carefully. Lancelot said that even if he had his eyesight, he might not have recognized his son Lancelot, for it is a wise father who recognizes his child. Now, how old Gobbo could recognize him? He knelt down before him, and truth would reveal itself, and murder cannot be hidden for long. A man's son may hide things, but in the end, the truth will be revealed. Lancelot just knelt down before his father and said that truth will reveal itself, because a man's son may hide things, but in the end, the truth will be appeared or disclosed in front of everyone. Old Gobbo was not ready to believe Lancelot, and he was repeatedly requesting him to tell him the truth. But Lancelot now confessed that he is not befooling him. He is his son Lancelot, the servant of the Jew, and Marjorie, your wife, means Marjorie is the name of old Gobbo's wife, the mother of Lancelot Gobbo. Now, when Lancelot confessed that he is the son of old Gobbo at first did not believe. Then Lancelot referred to his mother Marjorie as a proof to show that he is old Gobbo's son. When Lancelot at last confessed, old Gobbo, being sand-blind, touched Lancelot's face to confirm that Lancelot is his son. That is how old Gobbo comes to know that Lancelot has fine beard. You can see Dobbin, my field horse, has on his tail. Field horse means cart horse. Horse used for drawing carts. Now, students, to create the comic effect, what happened that as old Gobbo was sand blind, he touched the hair on the back of Lancelot's head and thought it or mistaken it to be a beard on the chin, and said that he had his cart horse had more hair on his tail. This made little weird to Lancelot. He got up and said that Dobbin, the name of their horse, Dobbin's tail was growing less. You can underline backward means growing less or shorter. For he is sure that when he last saw it, he had more hair on its tail than he had on his face. So these are the comic effects used by Shakespeare. So students, read up to this paragraph and try to understand the scene. I shall continue the scene in my next video.